done probably 300 or 400 video conferences over the years. I feel very comfortable with it, but I just want to run through a couple basics. And that is, I'll go through and attempt to answer some of your questions, and then I'll pause periodically for you to have a chance to discuss and identify any additional points you want me to address, and I'll work through Nancy as your facilitator. So in other words, I'll pause, she'll take any additional comments or questions from you, and then feed them back to me, and I found that works out particularly well. So one of the first things I'd like to do is suggest, I found 2 or 3 things in your emails to me that I thought were important, and I did get a chance to go online and look at some of your maps. By the way, I see that you have a blog, and you sent me the link to that blog, and I made a comment on it too as well. So I'm delighted that all this technology is allowing us to share and communicate. So let me start with this, and Nancy, perhaps you can let me know if this works for you. One of the things I saw is that you want some feedback on your maps. That's an important goal of our session today. Secondly, I think one of the most important things is for me to take some time to walk through the 7-step review process with curriculum mapping. So let me stop right there. And Nancy, can you tell me if that is on target for you?
It's on target. Can you hear me okay?
I can hear you fine. And who's running the camera there? Okay, great. Good. Good, nice to see you. Great. So if there aren't any other major additional points, I think what I'll do is start with the review process, if that's agreeable, and then we'll proceed. Is that okay?
It's fine. We just spent a lot of time doing step number 1 and step number 2 in our last conference, but for you to run through the whole thing would be a good start.
All right. That sounds absolutely great. Terrific. So let's